This lesson shows you how to manually record time in QuickBooks Online Plus when used with a subscription to Payroll Premium and/or QuickBooks Time. The process for recording time in QuickBooks Online varies depending on the related subscription. So, to see how to manually record time in QuickBooks Online without a payroll or QuickBooks Time subscription, please review the earlier lesson titled Basic Time Tracking in this chapter instead. You can use a different process to manually record time if using QuickBooks Time via a payroll premium subscription or as a standalone subscription. While QuickBooks Time isn't the focus of this course, it helps to know how to manually create time entries in that program if needed. QuickBooks Time has many robust time tracking features that let users enter their own time, and many other features as well. QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online should automatically sync information, so the employees you enter in QuickBooks Online should automatically appear within QuickBooks Time. To open QuickBooks Time, if you have a subscription through QuickBooks Online, click the Overview link under the Time app in the All Apps bar. Then click the Go to Classic QuickBooks Time link in the upper right corner of the Overview page to open a new browser tab for the QuickBooks Time application. If needed, to manually force a sync in QuickBooks Time, click the QuickBooks or QuickBooks Payroll button in the toolbar at the top of the QuickBooks Time window to show a drop-down menu of commands. Then click the Import command in the drop-down menu to manually sync. To view the sync log when you are finished, click the QuickBooks or QuickBooks Payroll button in the toolbar at the top of the QuickBooks Time window to show a drop-down menu of commands. Then, choose the View Sync Log command in the drop-down menu to show the sync logs. You can click the X button in the upper right corner of the Sync Report window to close it when finished. To manually add time for an employee, click the Time Entries link in the navigation bar at the left side of the QuickBooks Time window. Then, click the Add Time button at the top of the Timesheets tab to open the Timesheet Editor window. To select the employee for whom to record time, delete your name from the Team Member field, and then start typing the employee's name. Then select it from the drop-down menu that appears after you start typing to select them. To select whether to record in and out times or a duration, select either the Time In Out or Duration option button for the type setting. If you select Time In Out, then use the three fields to the right of the Time In and Time Out settings to select a date, enter a time value, and select either AM or PM for the time value. The total hours then appear to the right. Alternatively, if you select Duration, then select the date from the Date Calendar selector and enter the desired duration into the Total Hours field. To assign the time to a customer or project, click the Customer field and then select them from the Select Customer window that then opens. The selected entry then appears in the Customer field and the Select Customer window closes. To select a service item, select a choice from the Service dropdown. To indicate whether this time is billable, select either Yes or No from the Billable dropdown. If needed, to enter a billable rate, type it into the Billable Rate field. If enabled, select the class from the Class dropdown and/or the location from the Location dropdown. To enter any notes, type them into the Notes field. To change the time zone if needed, select a choice from the Time Zone dropdown. To keep the time editor open after saving the entry to continue entering time entries without closing and reopening this window, check the Keep Editor Open After Save checkbox. To close it instead, uncheck the checkbox. To save the time entry, then click the Save button. Alternatively, to cancel the time entry, click the Cancel button. To create additional entries, simply repeat the process. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.